Welcome to the final tutorial of OpenOffice Calc. So now that we have our project, we probably would like to save it. So let's go over to File, Save As. Now we can select a place to save it. Let's select where we want to save it and also select the type. We can save as Excel, as HTML, as CSV, or ODF, whatever we choose. So let's give it a name, call it Sheet 2, and click Save. Now any modifications we do, we'll only need to click Save button right here, and it will quick save our changes. Now besides saving it, you probably want to also print it. So let's click on File and preview the page. By clicking Page Preview, now we'll see what we're about to print. So this is cut down the middle, and these two are supposed to be in the same place. So let's try to remedy that. Let's click Close Preview. And now if you notice, there are these bolded lines that indicate where the page actually starts and where it ends. So let's get these two in the same page. So let's simply select them and pull them together. Now they're on the same page. But what about the chart? You can see that it spans 2 and more pages. So of course that we can make it smaller, make it fit on one page, but maybe we'd like it large. So what can we do? So we'll click on Format, Page, and here we can change the orientation of it from portrait to landscape. So let's click OK. And now you see that the lines changed a bit. Now we can pull it to fill the entire page. Now let's see what we're about to print. So let's click File, Page Preview, and we see that now it fits snug into one page. So let's close Preview, click File, Print. You select your printer and simply click Print. And that's it. You'll get the prints out. So thank you very much for joining me on this tutorial. I hope it was informative for you. Thank you very much. Bye.